Expedia Group have more than 200 travel sites in 70 plus countries, and we generate data at immense scale. Our platform processes more than 1 million events per second with advanced technology, data, and machine learning at its heart. It's our fundamental circulatory system for the Expedia Data Platform, powered by AWS. Our legacy of growth, both organic and by acquisition, has brought us complexity. Now, as we simplify and standardize, we've chosen Amazon S3 as our common data storage layer. Being cost-effective at petabyte scale and available across the enterprise has provided immense flexibility for us. We've taken advantage of optimized capabilities, for example, through Amazon EMR and Amazon SageMaker. Working together, AWS has provided the foundation for data scientists, analysts, and machine learning engineers to build, train, and deploy algorithms at scale. Thanks to AWS, Expedia's travel platform can leverage the advanced data stores, analytics, and machine learning capabilities we need to power travel for everyone, everywhere.